very easy to use it. So I've been using like about a year and I love it. And if it's broken, I'll definitely buy same one. I always use grass milk, which is grass-fed milk. Grass-fed milk has 3 times more omega-3 compared to conventional milk. So, omega-3 fatty acid is it's supporting brain tissue and also reduce inflammation, good for your heart and good for your eye. So, and then also great for anti-aging. So definitely use grass-fed milk. It's more expensive, of course. Cow's supposed to be fed grass. It used to be fed by grass, but now it's fed by a grain, and then things change. So I usually use this. I always have this like covered up and microwave. When it's like boiled, it's not gonna be spilled all over, Just 30 seconds. When you're waiting, just squat. Okay, stop. Alright, this is warm milk. It's good. And here's a flosser. Put in there. Just push.
I got it. So everybody, this is what she uses. She uses this thing, I do not know what the name is. She puts it in right here. She does this first, opens it up. She takes the old one now that she used before, and she throws it away. Then she puts a new one in here. See the needle? It sticks. Then she hits brew, and after a few minutes it should be done. My pleasure, Mama.
Okay, then you can just wait a couple minutes and it's gonna come out. When you're waiting, you can just put milk back into the refrigerator.
As you can see, everybody, you can hear that it's coming out. Then you have
And-
Busy.
It's coffee with fluffy milk.
Now drink it, Mommy. Take her and here's how it tastes.
Oh, so good.
But never drink it when you have makeup on, cause it gets on a couple of guys.
Ow, hurts. Don't. But this is delicious.
Yes, but
and
when-
very easy
but when
to
you-
take care of.
But when you
Just
put
take it off and wash. And
but
put
when
back.
you put lipstick on your lips, it might or might not get in the
This
cup.
is my favorite appliance. Once it get broken, I definitely gonna buy exactly the same one. Bye bye.